Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're reviewing the newest model of the Ring Battery Doorbell, and this is the 2-pack bundle, perfect for home or business security. If you've been thinking about securing your front door, back door, office entry, or warehouse gate, this updated Ring model gives you everything you need and more. Taking a short pause, let us break it all down. 1. Design and build. The doorbells come in a sleek satin nickel finish. Battery powered, meaning no wiring, no drilling hassle, and no electrician required. Completely weather resistant for outdoor conditions. 2. Head-to-toe video quality. This newest Ring model offers full body, head-to-toe video perfect for checking packages left on the ground or identifying people accurately. Enhanced clarity, optimized HDR, and wide vertical field of view. 3. Live view and two-way talk. With the Ring app, you can check your door anytime in real time. Speak directly to visitors, delivery people, or even unwanted guests. Noise reduction ensures clearer audio on both ends. 4. Motion detection and smart alerts. Upgraded motion sensors offer smarter detection with fewer false alarms. Get instant alerts when someone approaches your door. Adjustable zones let you control exactly what the camera monitors. 5. Simple installation. Just mount the bracket, snap the doorbell in, connect to Wi-Fi, and you're done. The quick-release battery is rechargeable and easy to remove. 6. 2-pack use cases. Front door and backyard. Front door and garage entry. Office front desk and warehouse door. Home and rental property. Small businesses with multiple entrances. Taking another small pause. If you want a clean, modern, wireless security upgrade, the Ring Battery Doorbell newest model should definitely be on your list. Reliable alerts, great video, easy install, and full integration with Alexa. Let me know if you want me to compare this with the Ring Pro 2 or the Blink doorbell.